Three, two, one. Yo! welcome back to the channel. You guys would already know by the title of this video, but if you guys are wondering about the rear diffuser, no, I did not do it yet, and yes, I'm still working on it. I did a little, I changed it up a little bit, and just to make it look more legit, I guess, but it'll look better than the first design. And I'd rather just take my time working on it, and you guys just wait for it. You guys will be blown away. But yeah, right now we're moving, so yeah, we finally got a house. Yay! Yay! No more apartment. Shit, we got a garage, bro. I'm really excited about that because we will be able to work on our cars now without, But yeah, man, shit. I keep forgetting about it. Man, I gotta get used to the camera. Yo, what's up, guys? So, yep, one problem after another. So I tried removing all the trimmings, or whatever you call it, the components on the steering wheel, and I tried doing the work by myself, but I can't seem to find a way to remove this lock cylinder. I can't even turn the key and the steering wheel. Let me show you guys. Let's see. Let me put the camera right there. Don't want. Nothing works. Shit. So I'm able to turn the key now. I also got the new lock cylinder, but I'm missing a special tool that holds the tumblers. Wait, let me see. As you guys can see, if I take out the key, you see the top part right here, like you see the tumblers coming out. So if I put the key in, then I turn it, the key wouldn't come out. So I need that special tool to hold those tumblers down, and then so when I turn it like that, I can. So right now I don't have that, so I ordered it, and then for now I'll still be using the old one. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a lubricant, so because I don't want that shit to happen again. And these just to make sure. I mean, it doesn't get stuck anymore, but I just want to make sure that it don't happen again. But once that special tool comes in, that's when I'm gonna continue on this. But for now, I think this should be good. So I'm gonna just put like a little grease in there. It should be able to work. I think I'm gonna put some in there too, so just to make sure, you know, get all that good stuff in there. Oh shit. Ready, so oh damn. Shit thick though. Shit thick. That's at my car. I'm playing. To remove the cylinder from the column, insert your key to the lock cylinder. Click it to the on position, that is the first click. Then push the pin to the access hole on the bottom part of the column, and the cylinder should come right off. There. So turn it once, then it should be able to come out, then yep. And then to put it back in, like you just follow this little button right here, you put it where the hole from earlier, then right there, then put it back on the on position, then push it back in. See? The car starts right up and it doesn't get stuck anymore. You guys could hear that. Like my my wiper works, but for some reason water's not coming out. So I'm gonna see if I could fix that problem. Oh, what the fuck? So that's the problem. So I'm thinking the hose is not connected somewhere, because I brought this to a poor dealership, and when I got it back, I guess they forgot to reinstall the hose. So if you guys are wondering what's the port for, I don't have the tool to remove these plastic clips. It comes right off. Oh, I found it. So it's right here. These hose right here needs to be connected to this hose. I wonder why it wasn't working, and that's why the water wasn't coming out. What? That was easy. Right there. Then I just have to put this in place. Same thing with this one right here. And just like that. And it should work now. Done. That was easy. Working with my car and I don't know what else to do. I was gonna do my rear diffuser, but I think it's too late for that. I think I might just do it next week again. So, yeah. I think I'm gonna just cut my hair. If you guys didn't notice on my rear diffuser video, I cut my own hair and now I'm gonna cut it again. Fuck, I'm scared. I already did this before, but I'm still scared. Yo, what is up guys? And today I'm gonna be assembling the storage shelves for our tools.
Sun, how are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be alive. Good morning, life. Good morning, sun. How are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be alive and in love. Good morning, sun.
Done with the shelves. Now I'm about to organize the tools. Damn, it took me about 2 hours to assemble this. And if you guys don't know, on the other side of this garage is JV's room. Look at that. It don't even look like a garage. Check it out, guys. I'm done for today. I got to organize all my stuff, or all our stuff. If you guys didn't know, I had more tools than this before, but most of them got stolen. So I'm trying to buy tools again, like little by little. And as you guys can see, this is my rear diffuser right here. I'm still not done with it. I might probably work on it next week, Saturday. These are for my Mustang right here, and I'll be installing that too when I have time. I guess that's it for this video. If you are waiting for the rear diffuser, I'll post them next week. So yeah, watch out for that. So, till next time. Yeah.